Okay, I did the video on the SaBellCo tailgate lock. There it is installed on the truck. And you're not gonna get this tailgate off with that lock. It's not gonna be easy to pry off. You can't pry it to the side. This one here, the SaBellCo is the most expensive one, but it's made out of CNC machined aluminum, so it's not going to shatter if you were to smack it with a hammer. It's not going to break off in chunks. This one comes with a little label that it's like a rubber label with glue backing on it, or an adhesive backing, and you put that over the lock itself. That keeps water out of it. I'm pretty sure they figure that once you put it on, most people aren't ever going to remove the tailgate. And this is just basically, it keeps someone from stealing it anyway. One thing I did have to do, I had to file my liner here a little bit so that it would slide down next to the lock. That's more of a tolerance issue with probably Toyota. Some people may not have to do that. Others, if it won't slide down, just get a regular flat file, and it takes about 30 seconds to file it just enough, and it'll slide right down beside it, and you're done. Just put your screws back in. You got to take the screws out of your panel back here. You got to loosen up these. You don't need to take these out. These other ones you need to take out. And you got one here, one here, one here, one here. There's others, these two over on this side you need to take out. And what that allows you to do is lift this panel right here, and that allows you to insert the lock. So it's not easy for someone to try and remove this style of lock.